Hey Budgie owners, Nikita RoqueSox here and Jet, and welcome to part 3 of my Budgie owning guide. So if you missed my last video on choosing a Budgie, the link to that will be right over there. So in this video I'm going to go over a few things to do to help your Budgie get settled into its new home. So let's get started. So the first thing you probably need to do when you get your Budgie home for the first time is put it into its cage if you didn't bring it home in it. So make sure that you put the cage in a room where you won't be moving it around a lot so that the Budgie can get used off that one room, which will now be its training room. So make sure all doors, windows, drawers, closets, anything that your Budgie can fly out of and into are closed, and make double sure that any bird-eating pets that you may own are not in the room with you. So once you've made sure all of that's done, let your Budgie out of its little carry case and let the hand training begin. This is where getting the wings clipped before you leave the pet store comes in handy. You need to slowly approach your Budgie and get your hand like this as close to it as possible. Jet, stop chipping your toenails. Anyways, you get it as close to their tummy as possible and press against lightly, and they should hop onto your hand. Once you get that right, you're going to slowly walk with them to the cage, put your hand in, and they should hop off. If you do get bitten in the process of getting your Budgie to the cage, whatever you do, do not freak out. It really doesn't hurt that much, and it's only for a few seconds, so let them bite you, they will let go, they will fly away, and try again. Just do not freak out in front of your Budgie, or you'll have to start this whole process of getting close to it again. The reason most Budgies freak out at the sight of the hand is because they don't trust you. So you need to get over their little trust issues with you. So once you get them into the cage, practice getting them on and off your finger a few times every day. And if the wings are clipped, or if you don't mind chasing them, well, not chasing them, but walking all around the room to get them back in the cage, then try taking them out of the cage as often as possible, maybe 2 or 3 times a day. Another thing you can do is hand feed them. With Jet, I used spray millet. I used to break up the individual seeds and feed it to him between my fingers. And it not only helped him to trust my hand, but he stopped biting. Now this whole process of getting your Budgie to trust your hand will take maybe a few days or a few weeks, depending on how much time you have to spend with them. And once they completely trust your hand, you can start with bonding, which will probably be the topic of my next video. So until then, let me know what you think of this video. Comment, like, share, and don't forget to hit the pretty little subscribe button so that you don't miss the next part of this series or any new Jet videos. If you want to see the playlist for that, you can click on Jet. So you can also find me on Facebook and Twitter. The links are down in the description. And until my next video, thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a tweetastic day. Bye!